Two important functions of the point of sale system are, of course, the end of day functions. There are two specific end of day routines that you'll want to walk through, either yourself as the manager or as the cashier. Selecting the button located in the top right, your shift, in the center part will have two primary functions, one being the X out or the shift report, and the second being the Z out or the shift reset report. The shift report will print out a summary of all the transactions that have been processed for today. This shift report can be run at any time during the business day and will summarize all of the tenders and the sales that have been processed throughout that cashier shift. At the end of the business day, when it's time to count down the cash drawer, finalize the reports, and reset the starting cash to its beginning value, we'll perform the same function. We'll go to your Shift tab and select the Z out. From the Z out screen, you'll be able to select which cash drawer you're looking to reset for the day. And you'll also be provided with a countdown screen. And what you'll want to do here, of course, is count the cash that's there in the drawer, including any checks that were received, and enter that appropriately in the ending cash screen. Following through with those steps, choosing Z out, which will reset the shift, and it will also reset the cash values within the cash drawer. This also will generate a report, and this daily end of shift report will also summarize your cash sales, tender totals, but also give us our over and under amount for the day.